Valea specialises in consultancy within the field of intellectual property.
In the downturn, we decided to stay very close to our most important clients, intensifying the strong dialogue we have. It proved successful. It was a very strong acceptance, stronger than I expected myself, in fact.
In the Life Science and Chemistry department at Valea, we do everything in the field of medical, biotech, pharmaceutical sciences. Clients that come, they have passion for their inventions, for their area of expertise, and they give this passion on to us, so we can pick it up, and then we try to interest them in the legal aspects and try to show them this field of what they can achieve with their initial passion.
We're very focused on both the technical and scientific background, and in combination with very thorough knowledge in IP law. We have clients from individual inventors to small biotech companies and also larger biotech and pharmaceutical companies.
When the first invention is made, or when the patent application is filed, you may not really know what the final product is going to look like. So you need to draft the patent applications in a very open way, in order to be able to protect all the different aspects that may be important later, while still having sufficiency of disclosure of what you actually want to protect. So it's a challenge to balance that. When you draft your first patent application, or when you think about how to make a discovery into an invention, in that process, you do not just have to think about the legal situation in Europe and the US, but there are lots more markets that you need to consider at a very early stage.
Some years ago, we would not automatically recommend that you should file in China or India. Also, the legal changes that have taken place in China and India of lately have made it much more reasonable for us to recommend our customers to file applications there.
The rules are quite different between those countries. Even if the general standard is the same, when it comes really to get the protection and how an application must be in order to provide a good protection, then there are large differences, and that you need to consider at a very early stage. Maybe even when you do research, you need to consider that.
Big pharma, having the need for development and the creativity of the smaller player, needs to be more respectful towards smaller players and take them in. And that also means that they need to respect smaller players' IP, although they could of course litigate them to death. If IP and the legal system is only about money, then it's no longer the legal system for everybody. So if smaller players can get together and have a friendly solution, they can muscle up together and benefit very much from that. And I think that is what we should do much more in the future.